Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Volvo S90 key battery. Before we begin, make sure you have a fresh CR 2032 3-volt battery and a small flathead screwdriver ready. Having a clean, well-lit area will help prevent losing any tiny parts. This simple task takes only about 5 minutes, and you can easily do it yourself at home. First, let's open the key fob. Look for the small release button located on the side of your Volvo key. Press this button firmly, then gently slide the back cover upwards and off. Once the back cover is removed, you will see a circular battery cover inside. This cover protects the battery and needs to be rotated to access it. Now for the battery replacement. Take your small flathead screwdriver and insert it into the slot on the circular battery cover. Rotate this cover counterclockwise until it aligns with the open position. Gently pry out the old CR 2032 battery. Take your new CR 2032 3-volt battery and insert it, ensuring the positive side, marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. Finally, let's reassemble and test. Once the new battery is in, rotate the circular battery cover clockwise until it clicks firmly into the closed position. Next, align the back cover with the key fob and slide it downwards until you hear a click, indicating it's securely attached. Give your key fob a quick test to confirm it's working perfectly with your Volvo S90. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.